Alright, what's up guys? So today, as I said, I would be unboxing my new bike with my cousins, but thing is that my cousins aren't coming until a little later today, and I just can't wait. So I'm just gonna open it, first off, just to open it, and just to get a look at the bike. I'm not gonna take it out of the box or anything. I just want to open this thing for the heck of it. So give me 1 second to set the camera up, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now that I got the camera set up.
And we are back.
Get off the shot. Alright. Now, again, I'm just going to open it because I'm a little crooked here. Hold on. Fix it again. Nope. There we go. I'm just going to open it because I still need to build it, but I'm just going to open it and take a look inside the box. Ooh, I love unboxing things. I love watching unboxing videos too. Like before I made this, I looked up a whole ton of unboxing videos to see how others did it. Oh, what was that? Ooh, this thing looks awesome. Alright, let's see here. Oh look, it's the seat. Ta-da.
They put the tires on already.
What is this? Oh jeez.
They put the tires, the brakes, and the chain on.
What just fell out?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a... I can't grab it, my hand's too big.
I'll get it.
Grab it. It's right there. Do you see it?
I think I do.
Can you get it? It fell out.
God.
That's
Okay.
my hand. We'll get it out later.
I think my arm is stuck.
Just pull it out. Quit pretending.
Ow.
Since I ordered it from the house, they gave me some freebies.
What are freebies?
They gave me some cool things. We got 2 beanies. No, I got 1 of the house voltage earbuds. That's pretty cool.
There's something else in here.
I know, I'm not gonna look at it yet. I don't know what it is. 2 beanies. Me and Evan are probably gonna wear these if it's not too hot. So I'm gonna leave those out. And last thing,
What is it?
oh cool, they gave me a tool. They gave me a tool. I didn't even know I was gonna get this. They gave me some freebies and then some. Where's my knife? I'm gonna open the...
You can make it.
What?
You can make it.
Build my bike, you mean?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at this seat. Look at this seat. Look at this seat. It's amazing.
Well, Devin's gonna let me ride the BMX sometime.
Yeah, if you're big enough. This thing's pretty big.
Maybe.
If I can get this thing open.
Now kick, now occupy yourself.
Okay, quit.
Now.
I'm gonna get a copyright. Well, actually, you can sing stuff. You just can't, like, play it, which is kind of dumb. This seat is plush. It has a little measurements on the back. Don't know if you can see that very well, but it has little measurements on the back. I can sit on this. It's plush.
Well, I'm gonna go.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah.
Why? Because why?
I don't wanna stay.
Whoa! This thing's black.
Yeah?
It's black.
Yeah, the whole thing is black.
I'm so tempted to just pull. I'm gonna pull it out. All right, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna pull it out of the box,
Well, I gotta see this.
and then we're gonna. Actually, I'm gonna grab it by the frame.
Here. Oh.
Kick the box away. Kick the box away. That way. That way. Oh my.
Come on! Help you. Come on!
This thing. No, Brayden, come back. Help me out, man.
Hey, this is the box you can send me away.
Yeah, I can send you away with it.
Yep.
This thing is awesome. I may just put it up right now if I can. I'm gonna do what I can right now. There's that. I might need that, so I'm gonna put that right here. How do I get this
What
thing?
is this?
What is that? Oh, these are probably the pedals.
Probably. Hey, you got another tool?
I got 2 tools.
Yep. Here.
Ah, sweet. They gave me some tools to help me build it. Yep, it's the pedals.
There that is.
Hey, look, they gave me reflectors. Safety.
Ow!
I didn't hit you.
You hit my hand!
Oh, look at these pedals. Look at
What
these.
is it?
These are full-on metal pedals. I was expecting some cheap plastic pedals. Look at Brayden. Feel these pedals.
What?
Hold one.
Ah.
They're gloss. They're so nice. Okay, I'm probably not gonna get a lot done.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm probably.
What?
Get out of the box.
But I want to be fixed the cornmeal.
I don't want to pop my tire.
Oh. Here's my new home.
Let me look at these handlebars. Get out of the box. Get out of the box. Ouch. Ow, I stabbed myself. Oh, man. Look at these. These handlebars are amazing. They're,
Fabulous.
I like the size.
Say they're fabulous.
Fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of everything. Here we go. Michael, give me some scissors.
What?
Scissors. Egg. 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 I was not expecting this bike to look this good. Ooh. I can just pull these off. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't find anything.
That's alright, I got it. These.
And today we found a dog that had a collar but no tags.
Okay, yeah, so I'm glad you mentioned that. If any of you know of a white little dog, I don't know what breed it is exactly. It looks like a mix. It's a pure white little dog, blue collar, no tags. Is he still here or?
Yeah, I found the owner, but if you saw him and tried to catch him, or
You found the owner, so why am I saying this?
just to see, just to tell them if.
Okay, well, never mind then, guys. I didn't know he found the owner.
Yeah.
I thought he was in the garage or something. See, this is why I need the scissors.
The knife is great.
I am not gonna... I want to cut my tire. I'm glad I got this one because it looked a lot better than it did on the website. It looks a lot better now. That's what I mean. There we go. Now if I can just pull that off. This off. There we go. Big frisbee. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this tire. jeez. Careful there. There we go. Got it. Oh, man. This thing's cool. Alright, I'm gonna set this down over there. Go. This thing looks absolutely phenomenal.
It looks fabulous. Fabulous!
You can't say that.
Yes, I can.
No, please, seriously, that's my thing. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
The frame feels great. It's a soft.
Oh. Perfect. Stop.
Could you stop stroking my frame, please?
You stroked my face.
No, I did not.
Yes, you do.
No.
You said it's your job.
It's not my job. I never said that.
Yes, you did.
But this thing looks awesome. I'm gonna try to put most of the bike together. I just sat on my seat. That did not feel good.
So your feet doesn't feel good?
No, I sat on the pole.
Oh.
This little toolkit has everything I need. I'm taking off the rim guard, because who needs that mess? Not rim guard, chain guard. Because who needs all that? I mean, seriously. The lighting is horrible, I'm sorry.
I don't like it.
Why?
I mean, what is it for?
It's,
What does it do?
well, basically to keep your, like, if you run through a water puddle or something, so you don't get wet, but literally this thing just breaks, and then you have a pop tire if you run over it, so. I don't like these at all. Come on, lighting.
Oh, it's right there.
There we go.
I think there's...
I think I'm gonna have to scoot over here so that it doesn't keep doing that. There we go. That's better lighting, isn't it, guys? Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's... Oh, there we go. Got it off. If you guys weren't... This is a chain guard. Where are you going? Are you leaving me? You don't want to watch this?
I would.
Well,
I
then
will.
why are you leaving?
I will.
This is what we were talking about. These things are really dumb, I think.
We could
They
sell it.
have a good, like, idea with it, but they're just in the way most of the time, and, like, when they break, it's hard to clean them up.
Here's the scissors.
Well, thank you, my good sir, but I don't need them now. You waste. Okay.
Back
I'll leave a link in the description for the bike that I got, this one. This is a framed 26er. I love it. I haven't tried it yet, but I already love it. It looks absolutely phenomenal, as I keep saying. It's a light bike. I haven't put on the other tire yet, so I don't know how heavy it's going to really be. But, you taking all that out?
What?
You taking all that out?
I'm gonna keep this in the garage.
Put it in your room for right now, and then we'll figure out what to do with it later.
Okay.
Come on, lighting. There we go. There are so many tools on this. Like, it came with this, which I'm going to use, because it didn't really come prepared. It gives me everything I need to build a bike. Braden, come on. You can do it. See? I told you. Come on, jeez.
It's fun.
I'm using my phone to record, if you don't know, so I'm sorry about the lighting. I need to get some of my own lights. I'm probably going to do a 20 subscriber special if this won't be it. It might be.
anything?
Yeah, when you're over my... I gotta fix my knife. Look at that. I gotta fix my knife again. That's not good. I think Evan, if he comes over and we decide to wear these, I think he'll wear this one because he likes these colors. But since my bike is black and white, I'll go ahead and wear this for the remainder of the video.
We thought it for you.
This is not my choice because it's like 90 degrees outside. Nope, I look bad in the meeting. Never mind. Oh, sweet! I've got my serial number on here.
It's me in a beanie.
Comes with an owner's manual.
Apply.
They always give people reflectors, but what I've seen is that they never really, people never use them. Like in every video that I've watched, they never use them. It doesn't even tick. Let's do it. Oh, it does tick. That doesn't sound good. I gotta fix a few things on here, probably, most likely. Yep, I do. Ouch! I just pulled this off.
Well,
It broke.
Well, I'm gonna get my dad is going to save up
Ow.
for a BMX. And then when
Why are you telling them this?
I don't know.
Shut up.
We're talking about BMX.
So, quit acting like this. Seriously. If you're gonna stay, then stay. If you're...
Get weird.
I'm gonna have to... They painted over the grips, so I'm gonna, like, not the grips, but the like, these are fine, but the filing that they put right here, it's painted over, so it won't catch. So what I'm gonna have to do is get my paint remover, and either just really scrub it, or I'm gonna have to get my sander and just get that off so I can grip it, make it really easy for me. But this is the bike. I'll show you some pics. The colors are totally different than what they showed on the website. It said black and white. Actually, since I've got this new editing app, I will show you if it will pop up correctly. If it doesn't, I'm going to look like an idiot. But the picture that it showed from the website, this is what it looks like, right here. And then the one that I originally wanted to get is right here. But the one that I bought, and I thought it was going to be this color, but it really is actually black and white. It looks absolutely amazing, though. Wom. I'm ready, Daddy. I'm ready. Turn to sponge. Yeah. Yay. I just fell. But, okay, I can't do much more without leaving my cousins out. All I did, take everything out, and, pretty much the rest of the video, actually, I'll just put these two videos together. This is one video, and then the next video. Okay, so I'm going to explain this and get all technical. For me, this is going to be two videos. This video and the one when my cousins come over. But for you guys, it'll be one video. And the reason I say that is because I'm just going to put two videos into one. So this is part one, but I'll do everything I can right now, and then I'll come back later when they come to see me, and we'll put the rest together. So, and I'll give you some good shots of the bike before and after. So I'll show you the before picture really quickly, if I can get this thing set up in a way that it'll actually stand. Hold on. I'm stepping on my hat. I know. I'll just put it on. There we go. Stop problem solved. Lighting. Stop. There we go. If it keeps doing that and I don't notice, I am very sorry. But let me see if I can get this thing to stand up. I'll just prop it up against my bed. This thing looks great. It looks great. Alright guys, so this is what it is so far. Handlebars, not put on yet. I've got the forks on. Frame is there. I put the seat on. Disc brakes. Looks great, I think. I'll get some better lighting shots later. This is what it is right now. Pretty great bike. Haven't ridden it yet. Not put together. So we'll get all that done. I'm going to apologize because my cousin's probably looking forward to opening it, but I did not do that. I just put it on. Things that need to be done on it. Pedals. Handlebars. Air up the tires. Take these things off of the back. Surprised it didn't come with pegs. I thought it was going to come with pegs. Unless I missed something in the boxes, which I'll go back and look through them. But there it is right now. And part 2 will be coming out and later. Well, not coming out, but we'll do it later. So I'll warp over there with you guys. Hey guys, what's up? So far I have put on both wheels, the handlebars, and the, well, that's it. And the seat, as you saw before, I had to redo the video because somebody called me. So recap on what happened is that my cousins couldn't come over. My friend Lawson was at a buddy's house, and my other cousin Evan had to go to work. So I'm building what I can right now, so you guys will get to see this. See me fail. If I can set up this camera stand for you. Alright, there we are. So I think I've got this on tight enough. I just have to air them up. I think I'm just ruining that. That's on tight enough. There we go, that's good. Now, if I can figure out... Do me a favor and bring me the pedals from my room.
Where are they in your room?
They're on the floor, and why are you wearing my beanie? Please take it off.
Aww.
Thank you. Please go get it. Don't do that.
I thought I wasn't allowed in your room.
Well, you are this one time.
So, I'm allowed if I have permission.
Yes. Ah! I get these things off. You just pull. Come on. I'm trying to get this back thing off. I don't know how to do it. I think I just pull. Alright, I'll go look here in a minute. Oh, no.
You don't have to put that on.
What?
You don't have to put that on, you know that.
I'm not putting it on, I'm taking it off. I have to put on the pedal, though. If I could just get something to wedge in between there. And then just push it out. No! Ah! Can I... Oh, come on. How do you get these things off? Thank you. This thing is frustrating. You know what? I don't care. I don't care anymore. No, I need the oil. I need to oil it.
You could just screw it off.
What's wrong, Larry?
Do not watch the tire.
Alright. Need to go cut this off. Press the pause button, would you?
Pause.
Okay, so I have to go cut this off. We'll be right back. Okay, so the oil that I'm using to put on the pedals is a lube called Park Tool. I got it from the bike shop for about $7. They really recommended it to me because this is what they use to put on their pedals and things for the bikes that they take in. So this is going to be fun to put on. I mean, I have to get my finger all oily.
Well, you being jerk.
Being a jerk?
Yeah,
Being a jerk and getting all mad.
you.
I'm not being a jerk.
No.
I don't want to come out.
Alright.
That in a way out.
Pretty sure that
Devin,
this is the way it goes.
come on.
Devin!
What?
Yeah.
What?
Don't be a jerk.
Okay, so I'm putting this pedal on, and the strategy that I'm using is that I just do this. It's easier, and I think it's faster. There we go. That's good. Scoot this back a little more. Now I gotta put on the other pedal.
No. No.
Alrighty, there we go. Got it all lubed up. Now I just gotta put this thing on. Oh, come on. Just go on. Move! Really? Really? Alright, so I lost a lot of shots for reasons that I cannot control. But I pretty much got the bike all done and put together until I do some finishing touches later on. But I gotta air up the tires, and then I'll give you a few shots of me riding it, and then I'll go to the skate park later on, probably tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what it's like. So give me just a second, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, it's all put together. I think it looks great. Absolutely wonderful. And I'm going to try and ride it a little bit, see what it feels like. I'm going to go socks, and then I'm going to just go ride in my socks for a little bit, because that's what I'm wearing right now. And then, sorry for the wind interference, and then I'll go shoes. So, let me get through some clips. Okay, socks hurts too much, so I'm gonna throw on my shoes and try to do something with the bike. Let me put the bike up here, grab my shoes, and we're off. Alright, got my shoes on, and then my mom is gonna see my bike. Oh, geez.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You got the bigger frame?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Now I'm gonna ride a little bit.
I'm glad you got the bigger frame.
Yeah. See how I can do. See how I do. Watch me do. Oh. I'm not used to having the brake on that side, so I have to get used to that. Alrighty. Oh yeah, first try. Hey. Definitely feels different. Up. It's a light bike. I can't do a bike spin. I'm not that good yet, Dad. Alright, so overall, great bike, absolutely love it. You guys will probably be seeing this on, what is today, Thursday, most likely. I'm going to put all these videos together, edit it out, and see you guys in the next video. Stay fabulous. See you guys.